Hey everyone, Mark with Northwoods Honey Company here. Let's install a package. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I do when installing a package, make sure the hive's already set up with all your frames in them. I remove the cover, take my hive tool, remove at least the center 2 frames, maybe 3, and give them a little bit more room. Take your package, get queens hanging from this tab right here. That's the syrup can. That's what they've been feeding on their whole trip from wherever they originated. These were from California. That's the syrup that they feed on, keeps them alive until you get them in the hive. So what I do is give them a nice steady drop, knock the bees down, because right now they're hanging off the can. Then I will pull the can out, pull the queen out, and make sure she's alive, which is a bonus, a plus, ideally. I'll dump the bees out, and then I'll add the frames in. So hopefully this all goes well, and we'll get these girls in their new home. Still have some feed in the can, which is good. They didn't eat it all. Queen is alive. Again, a plus. There is a cork on this end. I will remove that and install a little mini marshmallow as a time release for the queen. So I will set her to the side. Bunch of bees down in there. Now to dump them in the hive. So this is a 3-pound package. 1 pound of bees is roughly 3,000. So there's 9 to 10,000 bees in each one of these packages. Try to get them all. Now the cage is empty besides a handful. All right, so cork. Make sure the queen's away from the cork when you do this so she doesn't fly away on you. Trust me, been there, done that. Mush the little marshmallow in there. Bees will chew through that. Usually takes 8 to 10 hours for them to chew through the marshmallow, and then she'll be released. So I take my frame, I have the queen facing down, screen down so they're able to access her, put her in the middle, push her into the wax. I take the tab, fold it over so I can kind of hold on to it, and then I place it in the hive. Gently, not to squish bees. Take my last frame, feed frame. It's got a little extra honey and or sugar syrup left over from the fall. And there you go. That's how you add a package to a hive. Now what else I'm going to do is I'll give them a pollen patty. There's a pollen patty, just a pollen substitute because there's nothing in bloom right now for them. And then I will give them a gallon of sugar syrup because, again, there's nothing for them to forage on. So it's just something for them to consume until the natural stuff is available. Smoke them out of the way so I don't squish them. Set that right there. Add the lid. Gallon of syrup, and you're done.